How to handle international VAT and tax settings on Shopify. Follow the instructions. Enable Shopify markets to manage regions and tailor tax rules per country. Go to Settings, Taxes and Duties and activate Automatic Tax Calculations. Add your VAT number for EU UK to comply with local tax regulations. Choose if product prices include or exclude VAT in the tax settings. Enable VAT collection on digital goods if you sell software or downloads. Set up B2B VAT exemptions with valid EU VAT numbers for reverse charging. Ensure accurate product categorization for correct tax rates per region. Test checkout by selecting different countries to verify tax is applied right. How to handle international VAT and tax settings on Shopify.
Thanks for watching.